Try this aloo paratha recipe and you will love it for sure. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The ingredients are boiled aloo, jeera, mustard seeds, curry leaves, oil, green chilli and onions, garam masala and ginger garlic paste, coriander. Mash the boiled potatoes until they get texture like this. Next, into the pan, add some oil, add mustard seeds and jeera. Then add some curry leaves and stir for few seconds. And then add onions and green chillies. Later, add ginger garlic paste, chilli powder, turmeric and salt and stir it. After 2 minutes, add the mashed potatoes and mix well. Later, add garam masala and coriander. Then cook for 2 minutes and put it aside. Then make wheat flour dough and divide them into small pieces. Next, follow the procedure as shown. Dough will turn out like this. Then put the paratha on the pan. Roast for 5 seconds. And apply some oil or ghee to the both sides of the paratha. Then flip it over and cook until it's done. Then your tasty paratha is ready and it pairs well with dahi tikari. The recipe of dahi tikari is in the description. Go check it out. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to post your suggestions in the comment section.